Have you ever felt that end-of-day buzz you just can't shake? Your body is tired, but your mind will not switch off. Thoughts replay, lists scroll, tomorrow crowds in. It feels like a party in your head, and you were not invited. You need sleep, you need calm, but your system is stuck in go mode. What if the key to turn it off is already in you? It is your breath. Simple, natural, always with you. Too simple? Stay with me. In a second, you will see why. We breathe all day without thinking, but the way you breathe changes how you feel. Under stress, breath gets quick and shallow. That tells your body to stay on high alert. It is a quiet alarm. Shoulders tense, stomach flutters, mind races. What if you could speak to your body in a language it trusts? You can, and it takes just 6 minutes. We will use the 4-2-6 breathing technique. Modern life is a pressure cooker. Alerts, deadlines, comparisons, noise. Fight or flight gets stuck in the on position. Shallow breathing feeds stress. Stress feeds shallow breathing, round and round, until sleep, focus, and mood suffer. Does that sound familiar? Here is the twist. You can break the loop by changing one signal. Your breath. Breath is a language your nervous system understands. Scared? You gasp. Relieved? You sigh long and slow. Your breath tilts the seesaw between stress and calm. A long exhale is the universal signal of safety. It stimulates the vagus nerve, your body's calming network. Heart rate eases, muscles soften, mind clears. Ready to try it with me? In a second we begin. Find a comfortable position. Sit tall or lie down. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. Let your hands rest. Take a moment to arrive. Notice your breath. In through the nose, out through the nose or mouth. Fast or slow, deep or shallow. No right or wrong. Now, let out a big sigh. Let it go. We start the pattern. Inhale through your nose for 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your belly and ribs expand like a balloon. Hold, 1, 2. A soft pause. No strain. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Smooth, steady, like air leaving a balloon. Empty gently. That is 1 full cycle. Inhale 4. Hold 2. Exhale 6. If your mind wanders, return to the count. We will stay here a few cycles. I will count one more time with you. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now you count in your mind. Keep the exhale longer than the inhale. Notice any shift. Shoulders lower. Space opens. Thoughts slow. 4 seconds invites a full, easy breath with your diaphragm. 2 seconds lets oxygen exchange and creates a calming pause. 6 seconds triggers the parasympathetic system through the vagus nerve. The counting anchors your mind, so your body gets the message to relax. This is not magic. It is biology, but it can feel magical. 6 minutes. Less than a scroll. Less than a coffee. Real relief. Use it anywhere. Morning reset. Midday pause. Pre-sleep wind down. Before you start, notice how you feel. After you finish, notice again. Clearer mind, calmer body, more control. That is your pocket of peace. Set a 6-minute timer today and try 4-2-6. If this helped, subscribe, share your experience, and breathe with me again tomorrow.